Hey, I'm soon going to start a series of videos on SAT practice stuff, on like how to do different things in the SAT faster and easier, and explain SAT topics. Now, yes, I've taken the SAT, and I'm still taking it, in the sense that I'm in 11th grade and I'm going to take it probably 3 or 4 more times, and I'm in like several classes for SAT, and I've probably taken the practice test about 20 times, and I've probably taken I took the real SAT twice, once in 7th grade, once in January, and I'm going to take it again in March, and probably another time in the summer, and another time I'm going to take it quite a few times. So, and I probably have 100 to 200, maybe even 300 hours of practice on logs so far, over the course of the years, and I'm taking Algebra 1, 2, Geometry, and Pre-Calc, and I'm in 80 stats now and stuff, and I know my stuff as far as math goes. I'm a really big math nerd, if you couldn't tell already, but basically, I'm just going to make a video. Well, I mean, that's the math section. The first thing I'm going to do is the math section stuff, but so I'm going to also do writing section, because I'm quite the grammar Nazi, and honestly, the correct answer to most of the writing questions, they're blatant to me. They pop out to me. So I can explain that stuff, though not as clearly as you can in the math section. The biggest thing I want to focus on is the math section, because for most people, that's what they had the most trouble in. And as far as the reading section goes, I don't know how I'm going to explain that. I'm going to try my best to do videos on that as far as strategies goes, because for some reason that's one I constantly get the highest score in, even though I'm terrible at reading comprehension in real life. But I can explain that pretty well. As far as writing essays go, I'm in AP Lang right now, and my essays constantly get good scores. I mean, like, I haven't taken the actual essay, the actual test yet, but I mean, I will eventually, at the end of the year. But that doesn't matter, because the essay itself is a completely different format, but I can still help as far as explaining what they expect on the essay, part of the SAT. So, while I can't make your SAT or a SAT or day, it makes more sense if I write it out. More enjoyable. I can still explain to you the topics to make them less painful when you come along, as far as its tips, tricks, and hacks. And of course, I'll actually edit the video, and I know quite a bit of video editing and stuff, and voicing over, and I actually have a proper camera, even though I lost my actual good camera. I can use my phone camera right now, which is still pretty good. But I know video editing. I know it doesn't seem like I know video editing, but I know how to video edit. I know how to actually set up stuff properly. And actually, when I say I actually get proper equipment, I can make it really nice and stuff, but right now I don't have really proper equipment, but it'll be proper, it'll look nice. I'm not a Vi-Heart or anything, but I can still make it less painful for you to learn, and I can make the video look a lot nicer than this one or any of my other videos. This is just saying that, okay, I'm going to make this video. So, among the probably this, well, you can't really see. I have a huge stack of SAT material and digital stuff as well, and so many tests I've taken. But yeah, I'm gonna try my best to actually make a proper like web series, because I want to teach people stuff, and I like teaching, even though it's a subject well, no, I love math. I just don't like the SAT. I don't like SAT math. So, even though SATs are very, very painful, the studying itself should not be painful. So that's my basic goal for this, especially for the SAT math section. That's what I'm going to focus on most, because that's the thing I can explain the most. I mean, the other thing, there's really only so much you can do. I mean, as far as this book goes, all of these, the black lines and stuff, they're the practice tests. But let's see, how much exactly is the math section for this? Well, in most books, the math section's thicker. This one happens to be the actual writing section. The other two sections are thicker than the Well, no. I mean, like, if you look at it, the math section's actually just about as thick as the other ones. So the math section's almost always much more intensive than the other ones. So that's why I'm saying that I have to focus in that more because there's more topics to cover. But anyways, that's basically what I'm going to be focusing on as far as the YouTube videos. Sorry that this video is very disorganized, but thanks for watching.